on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be upgrading the headlights on the Red C6 Corvette. We're going to be going with the Morimoto replicas. These replicas are off of Amazon, and they're about 600 bucks versus the Morimotos. They're about 1,400 bucks. So these headlights are just the housing. So you either got to utilize your factory ballast and your bulb, or you could. We're going to be doing an upgrade with the Lost Fit LED lights. So we're going to be eliminating our factory HID headlight with the projector, and we're going to be going with the Lost Fit LED. So let's go ahead and get this box opened up and see what they look like. Alright guys, these are the replicas. They got the day running light right here, and they have the switchback for your turn signal. So let's go ahead, like I mentioned earlier, it doesn't come with the ballast or the bulb. So we got to utilize our factory ballast or HID bulb, but we're going to go and upgrade to the LED. All right, guys, to get the headlights off, you got to remove these 3 T15 bolts, and there's some 7mm bolts right here on the back side of this bumper. So let's go ahead and get all those removed. Alright guys, this splash shield right here has a bunch of push clips. Go ahead and get those all removed. It's all the way along the side of the perimeter of this splash shield. Get those removed, come down with it. There's an access panel right here with push clips as well. Get that removed. And then you'll be able to access the bottom of the headlight, which has some 10mm bolts. But we're gonna go ahead and loosen up this bumper as well. There's 2 bolts right here that you gotta remove to loosen up the bumper. These 2 right here got to come loose to loosen up the bumper. And then there's the headlight itself got three 10mm bolts, and this one right here, I believe. With this, you're able to pull the bumper down and out. There you go, down and out. All right, next, remove this harness. They're just pushed in right there. Get these out of the way. Disconnect your plug. There you go. Get your plug out of the... Remove your harness to the headlight. So there's 3 nuts. One. 2. 3. You got to remove this nut as well. This holds the fender on. So now the headlight is loose, bumper's loose, fender's loose. All right, I forgot. There's 1 T15 in here. It's right under the bumper. You got to make sure you loosen that one up as well. We got the bumper loose, fender loose. You want to pull back on this bumper a little bit. You gotta lift the headlight up and then come out. Just like that. Direct replacement for an 06 through 2013 C6 Corvette. Unfortunately, this is an 05, and I have to splice into this harness. So I'm just trying to figure out which one's the positive and the negative on this. This is the harness that goes to the headlight bulb. So blue is positive. Blue is positive, black is negative. Just double checking on that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut these, splice into the LED harness, and go from there. All right, guys, minor setback. Apparently these aftermarket headlights are for a 2006 to 2013 C6 Corvette. The only difference between the 06 and newer and the 2005 is the ballast cover. So this ballast cover does not work on these aftermarket headlights, so I would have to get a 2006 through 2013 ballast cover, which they're almost impossible to find. So what I did right here is I just made some metal. I got some metal plates just to keep the dust out of it. So that's how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put a bead of silicone on the inside of this lip and put these on there, and that should keep the moisture and the dust out. All right, guys, this little piece of steel right here is just 18 gauge metal I picked up at the hardware store. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, do a little test fit, see how they work. Just to give you guys a comparison. Well, I took the bulb out of this one already, but it's a big difference as far as looks. All right, guys, big difference in how they look. I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling this. I'm gonna start off with the bolts on the bottom of the headlight, those 10mm bolts. Then I'm gonna go ahead and hold off to reassemble the bumper, because I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. All right, guys, I got the fenders bolted up, the bumper bolted up from the inside of that edge. Let's go and wrap it up by finishing out installing the headlights. All right, I'm getting real close. They look really, really good. Really like them. All I gotta do is put the splash shield on. Splash shield and the dust cover for the headlight, and that's it. Let's go ahead and get that finished up. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video. But before I do, I'm going to add some LED fog lights. So I got these Losfit H10 6K cool white fog light bulbs. We're going to go ahead and add them. They're super easy to install, so I figured they'd complement the headlights. So let's go ahead and get them added. Alright guys, these are super easy to install. Probably take like 5 minutes. All you do is twist the bulb out, pull out the actual bulb, disconnect it. Alright guys, get your new bulb, insert it, like so, and that's it. Plug it in. White would be positive, black would be obviously negative, and that is it.